In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PineScript in TradingView, your full guide to get started with scripting and enhancing your trading toolkit. Whether you're new to coding or have some basic know-how, this guide should help you create and add your own PineScript to TradingView charts in no time. Let's dive in by heading over to the TradingView chart. Once you're on the home page of TradingView, look for the Chart tab. It's typically located at the top of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to a blank chart where all the magic is going to happen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. This is the central hub for all your trading analysis and, shortly, your PineScripts. Next, we need to locate the indicators icon on your chart interface. You'll find it on the menu bar, typically towards the upper sections. It looks like a little flask or beaker. Definitely sciencey, right? Clicking here will open up a window with a plethora of indicators. This is where your personal scripts will eventually reside. After clicking Indicators, direct your attention to the tab labeled Personal within the newly open window. Think of this area as your own personal shelf where all scripts you create or modify will be housed. To get started with your very first script, look for an option that says Create your first script now within the Personal tab. It's incredibly rewarding to create something from scratch, and that's exactly what we'll begin to outline here. Clicking on this brings up the PineScript editor. It's where you'll write your script. If you've coded before, it might look a bit familiar, but don't worry if it's new. TradingView provides plenty of documentation which can help. Start by composing your script according to your needs. Maybe it's a simple moving average or a more complex strategy. Use the editor to craft precisely what you need and take advantage of the autocomplete and built-in help tools TradingView provides. It can significantly ease the process of coding, especially when you're trying new things. Once you've written your script and are satisfied with it, the next step is simple. Click on Add to Chart. This button is usually located in the editor's top right corner, allowing you to overlay your script onto the chart. Watch as it transforms your data with the parameters you've programmed and gives you visual confirmation that it's working as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully added PineScript to your TradingView chart. Remember, the true power of PineScript comes from continuous learning and experimentation. Keep tweaking your script, optimize it, and watch your trading strategies evolve. Thanks for tuning in.